Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have a hijab haul for you guys from a new hijab brand that I've never tried before, and that is called Veiled Collection. I'm super excited to be sharing these hijabs with you guys. From my channel, you'll see that I love modal style hijabs, so I got a bunch of those today to share with you guys, and I believe I got one rayon material as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing which hijabs I grabbed, and if you're interested in knowing what my thoughts are on Veiled Collection, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the first hijab that I'll be sharing with you guys. This is the shade Brown Stone, and this is a modal style hijab. So before I go in and give you guys my personal thoughts on this hijab, I do want to tell you guys a little bit about these modal hijabs from their website, just so you guys are aware. So their premium modal hijabs are made of 100% modal fabric, and they have this really nice, soft, breathable, versatile fabric, and honestly, I couldn't agree more. In terms of the measurements, I did find that these hijabs are more on the maxi side, and now looking at the description on their website, it's saying that it is a maxi size, and it measures approximately 200 centimeters long and 100 centimeters wide. So there is a lot of fabric that you're working with. So initially, not gonna lie, the maxi style size did throw me off because I kind of stopped wearing maxi hijabs. If you guys watched my previous videos, you'll know that I used to love maxi hijabs because I really liked a lot of coverage, but then I realized that sometimes it would get really heavy, especially in the summer, so I was starting to wear kind of regular size hijabs. However, although this is very big, it's very thin and lightweight. Like, I'll just give you guys a little bit of a view on the fabric. This is just one layer, and it is a little bit, you know, see-through, just a tad bit, but the moment you start kind of creating folds, you can see that you don't really see through the fabric at all. So it's super lightweight and airy, so although there's a lot of fabric that you're working with, you don't feel it once you put it on. So I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the shade Brown Stone. I don't know if I already mentioned it. I'll have all of the names of the hijabs that I'm trying on the screen, as well as the style of the hijab. 99% of what I'm sharing with you guys is modal because I love modal style. So yeah, this is the first color. Let me go in and put on the next one. Alright you guys, so this is the next modal hijab that I wanted to share with you guys, and this is in the shade Brownie. So this is just a little bit lighter than the other brown hijab that I just shared with you guys. I love purchasing brown hijabs because they're like the perfect neutrals to pair with almost anything and everything, and they're also great colors for work. So I just absolutely love brown. Every time I order hijabs, I need to order some browns. I do apologize as well. The hijab might look slightly wrinkly. I did iron all these hijabs last night, and then I kind of just piled them on top on my bed. And now as I'm going through them, of course, there are little folds here and there because I did them last night. So I do apologize for that. But if you just ignore that, you know, I'm really just trying to share the colors with you guys against my skin tone. I'm trying to share my honest thoughts on the fabric because I feel like that's what's really important when it comes to purchasing hijabs. I can't stress enough how soft these hijabs are, you guys. They're really, really comfortable, and they're very airy and breathable. I also really love how formal and classy these hijabs look. I really like it to look really clean and just perfectly in place, and I feel like I'm really getting that with these hijabs. So I'm just loving it. Alright you guys, so this is the next hijab. This is also a modal style hijab, and this is in the color white. I realized I never told you guys the price of these hijabs. So all of the hijabs that I purchased were all $16 USD, and I think that's quite reasonable given the fact that these are maxi size hijabs. So they're very big. You're getting a lot of fabric fabric, so I definitely think it's worth it. And also I cannot stress enough how soft and comfortable they are, you guys. To me, a perfect hijab is a hijab that is soft, that is breathable, that looks really nice and fancy, but again has that perfect comfort level that you're looking for, and I'm really getting that with these hijabs. I feel like I look really put together, really nice and sharp because of the fabric, but I'm really comfortable at the same time. Like, it's just so soft and breathable and airy, so I think I'm really winning by getting these hijabs. So I really wanted to get a white hijab because I feel like it just looks so angelic and beautiful, and also for the summer I have a lot of tops and dresses and even some desi clothes that will look beautiful with a white hijab. Like, that is just what's missing with those outfits, so that's why I got this. And particularly with this specific hijab, the white color, I feel like it's extra breathable. Like, I feel like the material is actually a lot softer and even slightly thinner than the first two that I just tried, the two brown ones. So yeah, I really do love that. I just feel like it's even more airy and more comfortable, and yeah, I'm just loving it, you guys. So this is the next one. All right, you guys, so here is the next hijab. This is in the rayon style. So this is made out of 100% rayon material, and this is in the color Burgundy. So this hijab is just a little bit different than the Modal ones that I was sharing. To start off, there is a little bit of texture on this hijab in comparison to the Modal ones, where they're completely nice and clean. There's no texture whatsoever. And I feel like there's also a little bit of a difference in terms of the fabric. It is a little bit more stiff. It's not as soft as the Modal hijabs, but it's still really nice and comfortable and breathable. Just looking at the website, I can see here that it's saying that these hijabs are slightly textured to prevent any slippage, and it also makes these hijabs perfect for the stay all day hijab styles. So I definitely could agree. I feel like this material being slightly stiffer is really going to help my hijab kind of hold its volume and hold its shape throughout the day. So I really do like that about this hijab. To be honest, I kind of regret only buying one of these, just because I'm the type of person that really likes my hijab to stay in place, to hold this nice V shape that I create and hold its volume. I love to have volume with my hijab. I feel like it really helps complement my round face shape that I have. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan of this hijab. Now I just want to tell you guys dimensions and pricing. So again, this one I did pay $16 USD. On the website here, I'm seeing that it was $20 USD. So I'm not sure if I got some sort of a discount for purchasing a bunch or if there was a sale. I don't remember. So it might be $20 when you go on the website and you check it out. So don't be confused as to why I'm saying 16. That's just what my order summary says. Now, just looking at the website for the sizing, I see here that these are also kind of maxi style hijabs, maxi sizing, and it measures approximately 200 centimeters long and 80 centimeters wide. So very big, lots of material. I'll go ahead and show you guys kind of how the material looks with one layer. So you can see it's a little bit more denser and a little bit more thicker, and you can also see the slight texture. Honestly, texture usually bothers me with hijabs, but this is very subtle. Like, you can barely tell that there's texture there. So that's something that I can definitely live with. Now, just on the side note, I love this color. I think it's so beautiful. I love deep reds. I got this hijab particularly to wear with a red dress, a desi dress that I have. So yeah, I love it. I think it's so beautiful. All right, you guys, so here is the next hijab. This is in the shade Praline, and this is also a Modal hijab. So the rest of the hijabs that I'll be sharing are all Modal. So I absolutely love this color. It's like that perfect, soft, neutral, almost gold tone hijab. I feel like I would love to pair this with a lot of desi clothes clothes that have gold accents. I feel like it'll pair really, really nicely. So I absolutely love this. And of course, fabric and feel and breathability, everything is just perfect. I absolutely love it. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I want to stand up and show you guys kind of how the hijab drapes down in front of me, especially with my hijab style. If you guys are interested in knowing how I style my hijab, I do have a tutorial up on my channel, so I'll link that up here and also down below in the description box. So here is how the front kind of drapes. You guys can see you get a lot of nice coverage and it looks really nice and clean. So of course this is the longer side, so it does drape a little bit downwards, but the front piece is also really nice and big and it gives really beautiful coverage. So that is just kind of a glimpse of how the hijab kind of drapes and flows at the front. I feel like it looks really nice and clean and you get great coverage. So I absolutely love that, and that's all thanks to the maxi size. Alright you guys, so here is the next hijab. This is in the shade Light Taupe. This is very similar to the hijab that I just tried on, but this is a little bit more on the lighter side, softer side. I feel like it's got a little bit of white in there to really make it softer and more pastel-y. So I think this is a beautiful neutral color. Again, something that would work really well with desi clothes as well. So I'm absolutely obsessed. So we're almost done with the video. I have one more hijab to try on and share with you guys, and it's such a beautiful color, you guys. It's so unique. I love it. But before I go in and try it on and share it with you guys, I do want to give you guys kind of comparisons of hijabs that I find are very similar, that I tried on today but are a slightly bit different. I just want to show you guys on camera so you guys can really understand the different tones. So this is obviously Light Taupe, and the hijab that I got that is quite similar to this one is Praline, which is the hijab that I just tried on. So you guys can see the difference. This one is a little bit more golden, a little bit more deeper, so I do like that, but I also like this soft taupey kind of stone color as well. So here's just a close-up comparison for you guys. So I wanted to show you guys the two brown hijabs that I tried on camera as well, just so you guys can get a nice comparison. So I love both of these tones. One's obviously deeper. This is brown stone, and this one's a little bit warmer and a little bit lighter, and this is the shade Brownie. So I just want to give you guys that comparison for your shopping so you can make, you know, the right decision as to which hijab you like. I would recommend both because they're beautiful. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that on camera as well so it can help you out. Alright you guys, so the finale that we've all been waiting for. This is the last hijab, you guys, and this is in the shade Dark Sea. Look how beautiful this color is, you guys. I'm pretty sure this was the very first hijab that I added to cart because I was like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful color. I don't have anything like this. It's so unique. It's like a green, blue toned hijab. It's a deep color as well, and I love dark hijabs, so I absolutely fell in love with this. Just a little side note, I'm living at how it matches my Starbucks tumbler. Shout out to my husband for getting this for me for my birthday. I love it. It's so, so cute. So yeah, you guys, this is the last hijab. This is, of course, the Modal style, and it's so, so comfortable. It's really, really soft. One thing I will say though is that the fabric does feel a little bit thicker. So I'll just show you guys. It's got the kind of see-through, it's slightly see-through, but there's so much fabric for you to work with. The moment you start folding, you see that you can't see through at all. And it's that maxi size, just like all of the hijabs that I shared. So one thing that I did notice and want to mention to you guys is if the hijab color is darker, such as this one or brown stone, I find that the fabric feels a little bit thicker. It's still really soft and breathable, it's just slightly thicker in comparison to the lighter colors that I shared, such as as the white hijab or light taupe. Those ones felt really thin, a lot thinner than these ones. There's just a slight difference that I wanted to share with you guys that I noticed. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's hijab haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more hijab hauls, make sure to check out my playlist. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I love buying hijabs, you guys. I kind of have a problem. I love to buy new ones. I feel like they always make me feel special whenever I wear a new hijab, a nice crisp brand new one. So I do love to shop hijabs and I love to share them with you guys, and I shop from all different places. I love Culture Hijab, now I love Veiled Collection. There's also Haute Hijab that I really love, so make sure you guys check out my other videos and learn about all my favorite hijabs out there. If there is a hijab brand that you would like me to try out, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely check it out and maybe I'll do a video. All of the hijabs that I tried on today will be listed down below in the description box with links, so make sure you guys check that out. And also just a quick side note, this video is not sponsored. I purchased all of these hijabs with my own money, and all of the thoughts that I shared with you guys are my own and they're honest. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!